This is the India Daybook from flashfinance.news. Every stock in the news over the past 24 hours, straight from the exchange filings, one line each. 50 stocks. Here's the rundown. Bajaj Finance. Q1 FY27 results demonstrate a re-acceleration in profit growth, 28%, and continued AUM momentum, 24%, alongside improving asset quality and ROE metrics. Maruti Suzuki India. Maruti Suzuki has operationalized its fourth plant in Gujarat, increasing its total manufacturing footprint by approximately 9.4% and establishing a dedicated line for electric vehicles. Sun Pharmaceutical Industries. Q1 results show a continued pivot towards specialty medicines, 21.8% of sales, and robust domestic growth, 16%, despite US generic headwinds. Mahindra & Mahindra. M&M has demonstrated the ability to absorb 300 to 500 basis points of commodity inflation while maintaining double-digit growth and expanding market share in tractors to 44.9%. JSW Steel. ICRA has formally moved JSW Steel's long-term credit rating up by one notch to A+ and removed the positive watch status in favor of a stable outlook. Vedant. Vedant achieved record-high quarterly profitability and significant debt reduction, accompanied by credit rating upgrades to A+. Tata Steel. The company has formally committed to a major Rs 33,873 crore capacity expansion in India while reporting improved profitability in its domestic business. Adani Energy Solutions. The company has completed a significant equity fundraise, increasing its cash reserves and share capital while slightly diluting existing equity. Torrent Pharmaceuticals. The company has successfully integrated the JB Chemicals acquisition, resulting in a structural jump in revenue and market leadership in the Indian cardiac segment. Tata Power Company. The project has moved from the planning and connectivity phase to active construction, groundbreaking, in Andhra Pradesh. Billion Brains Garage Ventures. ICRA has upgraded the company's credit rating by one notch, moving it from A to A with a stable outlook. GAIL, India. GAIL delivered a significant earnings beat for Q1 FY27, with profitability more than doubling compared to the same quarter last year. Aditya Birla Capital. The company has demonstrated accelerated growth momentum in Q1 FY27, particularly in housing finance and health insurance, while simultaneously strengthening its capital base through a. Swiggy. Swiggy's quick commerce segment reached a critical financial milestone of contribution break-even in May 2026, while the core food delivery business improved its profitability. Indian Overseas Bank. CARE Ratings upgraded IOB's long-term debt rating by one notch to A+ and reaffirmed its A1+ rating for certificates of deposit. Laurus Labs. The company has significantly accelerated its CDMO business and nearly doubled its annual capex guidance to support high demand for complex molecules. IDFC First Bank. The bank has transitioned into a higher profitability bracket, crossing the Rs 1,000 crore quarterly profit threshold while simultaneously improving asset quality and liability mix. Motilal Oswal Financial Services. The company has successfully transitioned from a transaction-heavy brokerage model to an annuity-led model, with asset and private wealth now the primary profit drivers, 55% share. APAR Industries. The company has formally moved to secure shareholder mandate for a massive Rs 2,500 crore capital raise, transitioning from planning to execution phase for its next funding round. NLC India. NLC India has transitioned from a bidder to a selected developer for a large-scale 900 MW solar project in Gujarat, significantly expanding its renewable energy pipeline. Ajanta Pharma. Ajanta Pharma has started FY27 with accelerated revenue and profit growth compared to previous years, accompanied by a large interim dividend payout. Global Health. The planned Guwahati Hospital project has been significantly upsized from 400 to 650 beds due to revised building bylaws and increased FSI. Exide Industries. Exide has accelerated its growth trajectory from single digits to high double digits in Q1 FY27, while achieving a critical technical milestone in its lithium-ion cell manufacturing pivot. Nuvama Wealth Management. Nuvama is consolidating its tech subsidiary Picrite, capitalizing its AMC for a mutual fund launch, and securing a Rs 500 crore debt funding window. Urban Company. The company achieved record user acquisition and revenue growth while significantly narrowing consolidated losses through strong profitability in its core India and international service. Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation. GMDC has transitioned from a pure mining play to initiating formal entries into high-value sectors like rare earth elements and coal to chemicals while improving its power segment. Aadhar Housing Finance. Aadhar Housing Finance reported its Q1 FY27 financial results, showing consistent double-digit growth in AUM and PAT while transitioning its disbursement reporting to a check realization. OneSource Specialty Pharma. The company has transitioned into a high-growth phase driven by the GLP-1 market and is doubling its sterile production capacity this quarter. RBL Bank. RBL Bank has secured its first-time international investment grade rating, BA2, from Moody's, reflecting its new status as a subsidiary of Emirates NBD. Kajaria Ceramics. Kajaria has reported a significant margin recovery and announced a fresh Rs 165 crore capacity expansion at its Galpur facility. Craftsman Automation. The company has demonstrated significant operational leverage and margin improvement following the integration of DR Axion and Sunbeam acquisitions. Aarti Industries. Aarti Industries delivered a significant earnings beat with 260% PAT growth and completed a 24% capacity expansion in its fuel additives segment. Vardhaman Textiles. VTL has demonstrated a sharp recovery in margins and announced a specific Rs 125 crore investment to double its garment manufacturing capacity. Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals Corporation. The company has achieved a significant turnaround in profitability and margins, moving from a 12% EBITDA margin in Q4 FY26 to 26% in Q1 FY27, while nearing the completion of a major capex. Aether Industries reported Q1 FY27 financial results and secured management continuity for the next 5 years through promoter reappointments. LMW. LMW has seen a significant jump in profitability and a 15 to 20% improvement in capacity utilization compared to the previous fiscal year. JBM Auto. The board has authorized a major capital raising plan and confirmed the extension of the current managing director's tenure. Leela Palaces Hotels and Resorts. The company has transitioned from a recovery phase to a high-margin growth phase, characterized by significant deleveraging and a clear roadmap to double keys by FY30. LT Foods. The company reported its Q1 FY27 performance, highlighting a significant top-line beat and a major reduction in a punitive U.S. export duty that had previously threatened margins. Kirloskar Brothers. The filing represents the first quarter results for FY27, showing sustained growth in the core standalone pump business following a strong FY26. Niva Bupa Health Insurance Company. The company transitioned to Indian Accounting Standards, Ind AS, starting Q1 FY 2027 and achieved a significant jump in profitability and retail market share. Rainbow Children's Medicare. Rainbow reported strong Q1 FY27 earnings with high double-digit volume growth and announced a major expansion into the Mumbai market along with 2 acquisitions in Andhra Pradesh. 5-star Business Finance. The company has rebounded from 4 quarters of operational challenges, achieving record disbursement levels and stabilizing its collection efficiency at 97.9%. PVR INOX. PVRINOX has transitioned from a net debt position to being net cash positive with Rs 80 crore, while reversing last year's quarterly losses into a Rs 71 crore profit. Intellect Design Arena. The company has transitioned to an AI-first strategy with its EMACH.ai and Purple Fabric platforms, resulting in double-digit top-line growth and a significant increase in license-linked. Waaree Renewable Technologies. The company has significantly scaled its quarterly execution capacity to nearly 0.9 gigawatts and transitioned into an integrated renewable infrastructure player by adding T&D and BESS. Astra Microwave Products. Astra Microwave has secured its largest single order to date, significantly expanding its order book and transitioning into high-value systems-level defense production. Voltamp Transformers. Voltamp has initiated a second phase of expansion with a Rs 90 crore dry-type transformer plant while maintaining strong double-digit earnings growth. PN Gadgil Jewellers. The company has moved from board approval to active execution of its capital raising via QIP, setting the specific pricing floor and opening the bid process. PC Jeweller. The company has moved from a heavily indebted position to having cleared nearly all bank obligations, with a clear timeline to become debt-free. That's today's daybook. For the full AI analysis of every filing, visit flashfinance.news. Like and subscribe for the daily rundown. Educational analysis, not investment advice.